So now I'm going to explain to you all the tools of the trade and equipment that you're going to need to be able to perform your eyelash tint. So the first thing you're going to need is going to be your record card. And these are pretty standard. You can buy these from your wholesalers. This one happens to be one from Salon Services. These are great wholesalers to purchase a lot of your kit from. And when you've done the course, you will have a discount card which enables you to get 10% off of any purchases. So that's a great place to start looking for your starter kit. Moving on from that, once you've filled out all your record card, you're going to make sure that your environment is safe and comfortable and warm. So you're also going to need to purchase somewhere to put your clients whilst you're doing the treatment. So couch is the obvious answer. This maintains comfort for them and for yourself, so they're actually at the right height. So that protects your posture as well. You want some couch rolls, so you've got a disposable covering that you can change every time between clients. You want some towels and blankets. Depends on what kind of environment you're wanting to create for your treatment, so that's going to be bespoke to you. So I like things that feel nice, that are easily laundered, so they smell nice, freshly laundered when people arrive, but create the atmosphere in your environment that you're wanting your salon to give. So all of those things can be bought from your wholesaler as well. So moving on, once you've got your client in, the first thing you're going to need to do is remove any makeup from that area. So you're going to need to purchase some kind of eye makeup remover, something that's suitable for the skin around the eyes, gentle enough, because we're going to be working on that area, so we want to have as less stimulation and harshness on there. So go for a nice gentle eye makeup remover to remove any of the makeup that's currently on there, so that you can have a really good close-up look at their natural lashes and see what you're working on before. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to work with a petroleum jelly or a barrier cream. Again, we're not brand loyal from this course, so you can choose whichever brand you like, but you're definitely going to need a really good barrier cream. So that could be petroleum jelly or a brand bought one. So you're going to need to apply that underneath. Then we're going to use cotton wool, so again, another wholesale card. You will need to dampen your cotton wool, and you may want to have specific little pots to put all your items in. And again, think of your environment that you're trying to create. So if you want mirrored ones, you want bamboo ones, whatever creation of your environment you're looking at, you need little pots. You can put your eye makeup remover in one, you can put your cotton wool, cotton buds in another. So you're also going to need tint and the bowl to pop your tint in. So these are two styles of, they actually call them dappen dishes online, so you can see them there. I would purchase more than one, just because in case you damage one, you've always got your backup. And if you're wanting to do brows and lashes together, you've got two bowls, you can have two different colours in. So worth purchasing in those. And your tint, you're going to need a few various colours of tint. I would highly recommend blue-black for lashes, but you also will need black, and I would say brown, and possibly grey, depending on, sometimes if you're wanting to mix colours to create a bespoke colour, you can mix colours together, but you want a selection of colours, again, which you can purchase from the wholesalers. So you're definitely going to need some orange sticks. This is an orange stick. This is great for applying the barrier cream underneath, but also mixing your tint with and then applying onto the lashes. You can buy an eyelash tinting brush. I think I do have one here. Yes, here it is. You can buy one of those as well if you prefer. So you can use either or, depending on what you prefer. So you may want to just start with your orange stick or change as you want to. So that's applying the tint to the area. Then you're going to put more cotton wool on the top, so plenty of cotton wool, and dampen it down before you start, so you've got some of each. Scissors are going to be something you need, and you need to store them in some barbicide. So I would purchase the barbicide as well from the wholesalers. Comes like this. Now do read the instructions on how to use it. I actually quite like the actual ones, these jars that Barbicide actually produce, because it actually has the measure of how to mix it up. So with chemicals, it's well worth having something that's going to make sure it's really easy to make the mixture up, so it's going to do the job with the right concentration. So I always have stored in there my scissors, any tweezers that I might use, And if you need a clip to clip their hair out of the way, that's good to have there as clean and sanitised and ready to go. But scissors, you're going to cut the cotton wool to fit underneath and cotton wool to go on the top. Then obviously you've got your time to watch, so you either need to have your watch, or you need a timer, or use your phone, whichever method you want, but you're going to need to time according to the manufacturer's instructions on your tint. Then removal is just again cotton wool, so we've gone through that already. And then a mirror is always a good thing to have to hand to show the client at the end of what the finished look is like. So they are your tools of the trade that you're going to need. And obviously, as I said, wholesalers are a great place to start, or you may want to go with one particular brand or another. But from this course, you'll be able to do that quite easily. So everything will become clear when you watch the demonstration as well. Once you've finished your procedure and the client is happy, you want to see your client out and you want to be able to give them some aftercare. So how they can look after the lashes, when to rebook. If you look in the module, you'll have an aftercare list of instructions to give. And what I think is quite a nice idea with any treatment is to actually have a little digital thing that you can send to that client to remind them of their aftercare, so that they get the best out of their lashes and know when to rebook to come to see you again.